SHS students की the time. Hi Shweta. Hi guys, I'm Shweta from Bakers Hub 87. I'm a home baker. I stay in Bangalore. We have an online and offline workshop also in Bangalore. Hi Sonumati. Yeah, we'll start the workshop. Let few of the students join. Then we'll start the workshop. Hi Shrankala. Hi Mittal. Thanks for joining on time, guys. Hi Sunita. Yeah, I'm feeling good. I'm better now actually, but doctor has told to take rest for 10 days, but only I think in this month this will be the last live. Hi Vaidehi. For joining on time, guys. Hi Sunita. Hi Priyanka. Hi Natya. Hi Meti. Sure, dear. Thank you so much.
What we are making today?
Today we are going to make spear pinata, guys. Hi Kushbu, Shweta, what we are making today? Yeah, we are doing spear pinata. Hi Rohini, hi Kartika. Okay. Guys, for spear pinata we need white chocolate. I'm going to do in white chocolate. You can do in dark chocolate also. Hi Kanika. Yeah guys, okay, we'll start. I think this is the right time to start. White, this is a dark compound. Sorry, this is the white compound. If you want, you can use dark compound also. Milk compound, any compound, it's according to your taste. And to this I'm going to use oil soluble colors. Any oil soluble colors you can use. I'm using the Magic Colors. You can use any brand. Hi Shraddha. Yeah, all the students are joining one by one. Actually one layer I have done. I want to do the another layer. I hope you can see this, guys. And I think the chocolate students will be knowing how to do the chocolate melting and the tempering, everything I have taught them. So I'm going to use only 2 spoons for the second coat.
How is your health now?
Yeah. Hi Anabia. Yeah, I'm okay. I have little pain, but I thought of coming live and I have promised you people, so I have come. See, I'm using the brush to spread. Because the mold is cold, it's becoming hard. Let me add one more spoon. And from first I'll show in the another one, guys. Actually I need two molds, right? I need two half part of round. So I'll be showing in the another one how to do this. First let me set this and remove this from this mold. You can use any color. You can use shimmer also. You can do shimmer pinata also if you want. After adding, just remove the excess chocolate from the sides. Now I'm going to keep this in fridge for 5 minutes. And I'm going to melt this white chocolate for 30 seconds. Before that, I want to show my cake, guys. It's an order cake. Hi Surabhi. Yeah, I'm good, Surabhi. Thank you so much, Anupia. It's a heavy cake actually. Can you see this? Is it visible, guys? I think it's not so bright. 1 minute. It's for a 1-year-old boy. Oswald theme. Can you see the dog? Thank you, Sarah. Thank you, Sunamati. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. It's Oswald theme, guys. I have made this in homemade fondant. Yeah, this chocolate is melted. See the chocolate? Looks yummy, ma'am. Thank you.
Is it fondant?
Yeah, it's a fondant. It's a complete fondant cake. With all fondant toppers. I'll be showing my fondant also. The homemade fondant also. Next month we have a fondant workshop and basic to advanced workshop. Those who are interested in fondant and basic to advanced workshop, they can WhatsApp me, guys. Thank you, Riya. I'll be sharing the pics in the Bakers Hub 87 in Instagram and FB, guys. And I'll be posting this video also on YouTube. You can watch this whenever you want. Yeah, we have to temper this. I'm going to use little bit of shimmers to the pinata. We have to remove very carefully, very slowly from the sides. See, can you see here? There is a crack.
How much is it in?
Just you have to add little more chocolate on top of this. Wherever you find cracks. and again set it for 2 minutes. Yeah, actually in the sides na, if you give 3 coating will be best for the sides because it will be very thin.
What's this mixture?
I have added green color in white chocolate. Which tin? Which tin you are asking? The price? Size of the mold is 6 inch. It's a 6-inch mold. And inside I'm going to keep some surprise chocolates for the kid, for a 1-year-old kid. Actually for this pinata, for the heart one also and for this also. For the sides, if you give 3 coats, it will be more better. Guys, did you saw my Amul live? Who all missed my Amul live, guys? Guys, share as much as you can. Comment and share as much as you can, guys. What's the mixture? Yeah, the mixture is the chocolate one which I have added with little of green color. 6-inch mold. Yeah. Who all attended my Amul live, guys? Thank you, Sunita. Yeah, Indra. Hi, Indra. Sajida. Yeah. How was the live? Did you all enjoy the cake? Anyone tried? Thank you, Rexy. Thank you, Sarah. And I have posted the video in YouTube also. You can see there also. Hereafter, I'll be posting in YouTube also. Split cake design was awesome, ma'am. I shared to my friends. Thank you, Sonamati. Sonamati, actually in the basic to advanced, I tried to teach even that, but I couldn't. So I thought of doing the workshop for that. Vaidi. Sampada. Hi. Mango cake. Yeah, thank you, Kushbu. Just remove the sides.
When will be the next chocolate workshop?
Can you see the color, guys? When will be the next chocolate workshop? Chocolate workshop planning in the May month. Actually in May month I am fully occupied with the bread, pizza, donut and puff workshop. We have even that. So fully occupied in May month also, but I'm trying because many students are asking for the chocolate workshop. We'll try to come with chocolate workshop in May month also, guys. Yeah. Wow. Can you see the pinata, guys? Can you see the shine? Ma'am, can we use PVC mold? Can we reuse such a PVC molds? Yeah, you can use what's there in there. But the durability is very less for PVC mold. So we won't suggest. But if you have already buy it, then you can.
Marble pinata?
Marble pinata. Yeah. Beautiful shine. Thank you. Yeah, it's like marble. I have done another workshop with the heart pinata. Have you all seen that? was a very beautiful color also. How to do dark color pinata I have explained there. Now even I'll be showing. See, actually if we use the color in the chocolate, you won't get this dark. See, I'll show. I'll just use and show. See, I'm using white chocolate. In this, I'll be using choco green. This is chocolate color, oil soluble color. I have used 4 to 5 drops of choco green. Can you see the color? See, it has become so light. It looks like a pista green, even lighter than the pista green. Yeah, it's just white chocolate with green color.
Galaxy design heart pinata.
Yeah, right. Okay, to the same mold, I'm going to remove the excess one. To this, I'm going to add green color. Actually, I need leaf green, guys. Due to this COVID, due to this pandemic situation, I'm not getting the green color. Because of that, I tried with this color. Actually, I need the green color. See, I'm using leaf green. In this, I'm using forest green. Colors, any colors you can use. I'm using according to my client's order, but you can use according to your taste. Sorry, according to your wish. See, just take a brush, same as heart pinata. Spread the color. See the mold. Thank you, Sarah. And this year, like many home bakers are there. Like all my basic to advanced students are turned into bakers, and I'm very happy for that. Yeah, I'm going to melt this for just 10 seconds. Hand towel, where's the hand?
What color?
It's oil based colors. Actually, one I have added the gel color also, but in the chocolate workshop I have told you now what should we do if we add the gel colors. I have done that procedure, guys. But if you don't have gel colors, please buy the oil soluble colors. That will be best for the chocolates. I have added green color. See, I'm going to add one coat. Before me adding one coat, I want to add little shimmer to give some shine to the pinata. Yeah. After adding, just do the same thing. Now I'm going to add just rotate it, guys, just rotate it. Spread the sides with brush. No. And pour the excess cream. So excess chocolate. I'm going to set this in fridge for 5 minutes. Guys, who all are interested in ice cream, fondant and basic to advanced workshop, they can WhatsApp me. Is there any different brush for baking or else paint brush? It's a normal paint brush which you get in stationery shops. Yeah, let me show you the fondant. See, better doing 3 times. Even after 2 times, it will be little difficult. If you have added very thick layer of chocolate, then it's okay. Chocolate around 200 grams. 200 grams will go in one pinata. Yeah, Rexy. I know you're interested in ice cream. You were messaging. Next month we are having. I'll try to come today evening. I'm planning for a Zoom today evening or tomorrow evening. I'll let you know in the Oz Cake Studio group. Yeah, you can WhatsApp me at 7795 001166. Yeah, Sunita. I think Sunita has done some workshop with me, na? I don't remember actually, Sunita. I think she has done some cupcake or tea time cake workshop, not the basic to advanced one. Yeah, Zainab, I will tell, let you know. Guys, can you see the fondant? Yeah, cupcake workshop is Sabita. See the fondant, guys. It's a homemade fondant. Can you see this? It's a homemade fondant. Even I have colored the fondant, the homemade one. Can you see? So stretchy it is. Even this blue color. Yeah, I know, Zainab. You have attended my basic to advanced workshop. I know. Basic to advanced workshop students, everyone I know. Sarah. Many people. Like, I remember. I remember Savita. Sonumati. Meenakshi. Renu. All are my basic to advanced. Yeah, you can store this for almost more than 6 months. And I'll be teaching how to do the gum paste and the sugar paste, both. And you have to cling wrap and store, not like this, because just now I finished one cake, I have kept it like this. Don't do that, guys. Yeah, let's do the second coat. We have a free cupcake workshop in month of May, only for the new students. And old students, everyone have learned it, I know that. And if you know anyone, you can send their numbers to me and tell them to WhatsApp me. I can speak to them. I can share all the details to them. Main is for the sides. The sides should be covered with chocolate, with thick chocolate, or else while removing it will break. Yeah, again I'm going to set this in fridge. Ma'am, I'm also interested in cupcake. Okay. Cupcake workshop for others. We have a separate workshop with lot of, even that will be a 2-day workshop, and there will be more than 15 types of cupcakes. But that will be in June first week. Even the tea time, the healthy tea time also is going to start in June month. Guys, share the page. If you like my workshops, please share the page, like and comment. It will help other people also. Okay. Any other doubts, guys? For pinata, usually we get gap, guys. Usually in the center, we get gaps. I have attended basic to advanced workshop. Can I join in workshop? Yeah, you WhatsApp me, Sajita. Please share the live. Please share the live as much as you can. If you like my workshops, please share the live, guys. Yeah, so Vijeta, we will be sharing this in the YouTube also. I'll be uploading this video in the YouTube, and also in the FB page. It will be live. You can see again. I'm just doing the pinata. Can you see the pinata here? Yeah. In this, I want to keep it in fridge because of the summer season. It will melt so. In the pinata, in the center we get gap, guys. Usually everyone, even we use the tape because to hide the gap. And we can decorate not only with the tape, you can decorate with anything. Basic to advanced workshop Apurva we have on 4th May to 9th May. We have a 4-day workshop. In that you will be learning around 15 types of different designer cakes. And there are many things. Right now there are some discounts also. You can WhatsApp me. There are some discounts means there are some complimentary wedding theme cake also recording. You can WhatsApp me. It's on 4th May, guys. Yeah, I'm going to use this. समर के वजह से होता है, आप फ्रिज में रखना चाहिए, नहीं तो if it is in room temperature and if it is completely tempered, the mold won't be soft, because I just now showed you na, the mold was not soft, but because of the summer we have to keep it in fridge. Yeah, Apurva, you are in my workshop, any of my workshop, have you attended my workshop? She has attended my cupcake workshop. And you can hide the gap with some flowers, fondant flowers, anything, any design, guys. With any design you can do it. But in summer, if see guys, sweating, the part is like we will be explaining why the chocolate will be sweating in the fridge, and what should we do for that. Everything will be teaching in the chocolate workshop. Okay, joined extra day. Okay. Okay, now I'll remove and I'll just add little chocolate to this third coat. Very little chocolate for the third coat. Because of cold, it will become hard, so make it fast. Only the sides. And this is the last coat, guys. Inside this you can keep a cake, you can keep a small cake also, or you can keep some gifts for your near and dear ones. Guys, whatever you want to buy, try to buy online. Don't go out, because the situation is very bad. The second wave is really very bad and worse, guys. Stay safe, stay at home. Yeah, I'm going to set this in fridge. Hi, why chocolate starts melting when it comes to the room temperature after taking out from fridge? If you are not tempered properly, then the chocolate will start melting. Tempering is more important in chocolate. Fridge, not in freezer. Chocolate should be kept in fridge, guys, not in freezer. Yeah, fridge. Yeah, 2 minutes, guys. I have some fondant flowers. I want to decorate it with some fondant flowers. I hope it's visible to you all. It's a normal painting brush. I use any type of tip. Nothing like I need this or that. No, I'm not using Coverture one. I'm using the normal compound only. And these are the homemade chocolates which I'm going to add into the pinata. This is done. Very lightly. See, it's very delicate. That too because of summer, it will melt, but this is not melted. See the color, the dark color, guys. Is it visible? Yeah, I have a class for chocolate making also. Can WhatsApp me. Just let me remove that. It won't be exactly the same, the round, the size. See the gaps. Can you see the gaps? This will happen. I want to make this down and up. Yeah. I'm going to keep this in the fridge. Here I'm going to add a little chocolate. What will be the... What is that? I didn't understand, Vijeta. Little chocolate. Now I'm going to keep this in fridge only for 1 minute. Only for 1 minute, guys. Vijeta, I didn't get you. What will be the cyst of pyramid? Sorry. Yeah, Roja, we have a chocolate class. You can WhatsApp me 7795 001166. Yeah, let's see what kind of tutorials. Okay. I think I have answered all your queries. Now I'm going to add little chocolate on the sides. Inside I'm going to place some chocolates. Because of my hand temperature, now the chocolate will melt. But only in summer it happens, guys. But if you are tempered properly, it will melt very lately. If you have not tempered it, then it will melt very soon. My chocolate workshop is like more than 20 types of practical, and all the different types of chocolates will be taught in that. Rasmalai chocolate. Yeah, guys, is it visible? Gaps are very less only, but even though we have little gaps, so we have to cover with some other design. Any designs you can do. I'm going to use the tape and some fondant flowers on top of this. Shefali, I'm making spear pinata. Yeah. And now I'm going to add little here and there with chocolate. I'm going to add some chocolate and stick the fondant flowers. See, we had a gap here. I have covered it with fondant flour. When we keep this in fridge for few more minutes, it will set soon. Because fondant is also weight, right? So it will take time to set, and we need very flat one, flat fondant. Okay. How was this workshop, guys? Did you all like the live? This live workshop will be in the Facebook only. You can see whenever you want. I'm not going to delete it. I'm going to save it in the group. And I'll send the recording also in the YouTube page, guys. And the hammer is more important for this. I think you all will be knowing because it's a trending one. Thank you, Roja. Thank you, Sarah. Thank you, Sabita. Thank you, Vijeta. Thank you, Sunita. Tarushi? Can I get the scissors? Here it is.
Scissors. Scissors.
Okay. Pinata is done, guys. And please try and share the pics. Thank you, Shefali. Yeah, Shefali, I'll be sharing you the recording in the YouTube and I'll share you the link also. Don't worry. Thank you, Sunita, Rexy, everyone. Okay, guys. Hope you all liked the workshop. Yeah. I have just added the flowers on top because down it won't be visible also. Wow, man, super. Who's that? Choco Bites. Choco Bites is Ruhi, right? I think Ruhi. Yeah, thank you, Sonumati. We'll see in the next workshop, guys. I'll be missing you till then, because this month I'm not planning for any live as my health is not so good. I'll be coming live in next May only. I'll be coming in next May. Coming May, the first week I'll be coming live with some other different design. Thank you, guys. We'll end the workshop. Thank you, Kushbu. Thank you, Zainab. Sure. Thank you, Manjula. Thank you, Jailakshmi. Thank you so much, guys. And thank you for understanding my health. And many of the students were like asking me, ma'am, take rest. They have paid me and they tell me, ma'am, you do the workshop later. You first take rest. And thank you for the support, guys. Really, I'm blessed to have you all. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you, Jailakshmi. Okay, we'll end the workshop. Bye-bye, guys.